cutting implies severing something. It really should be called assembly. Mosaic is assembling something to create a whole, create an idea. We call it cutting. We call it cutting.
That's the time.